Open your book to page 107. This lesson is lesson 3.9. This lesson is about combined operations. So combined operation means you have the grouping symbols and you have different operations. So again, just a reminder that when you have the combination of operations, you need to do the step 1, 2, and 3 inside the parentheses, then do the step 1, 2, 3 inside the bracket, then you do step 1, 2, 3 inside the braces, and you do step 1, 2, 3 for the top and the bottom, and you do step 1, 2, 3 for inside of the roots. Okay. Again, the difference between this and this is that this is the square root of a number, this is the square root of a group of a number. Okay, so that's the difference between them. Okay, so let's go over some examples. So let's go to example 1 on page 108. You have 4.6 plus 2.3 times 5.4 minus 8.6. Okay, so you have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So again, according to the order over here, the multiplication comes before the addition and subtraction. So you need to do this first. So you go off to the side. You got 2.3 times 5.4. So 3 times 4 is 12, right? 2. Carry 1, you again use your finger. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15, carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So you get 2, 4, 2, 1. And decimal places, there are 2 places. Okay. So again, so go off to the side, do that, and then you do it, come back over here. So again, make sure you show your work. Right? So plus, so this becomes 12.42 minus 8.6. So now you have addition and subtraction. So they are the same. They are the same level. They are the same group. So same order. So you have to go from left to right. So you have to do this next. Okay. So I already have 12.42 over here. So I'm going to just put 4.6 down here, and I'm going to add. So you add, you get 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. So write 0, carry 1. So they give you 7. Okay. So this will give you 17.02. So again, you want to show your steps. That's how you show your work. Go down step by step. Okay. And then after you have to subtract, so minus 8.6. So 2 minus nothing, it gives you 2. Now over here, the 0 minus 6 cannot, so you borrow 1 from here, so this becomes 6. So the one you borrow becomes 10, so 10 minus 6 will give you 4. So now you have 16 minus 8 will give you 8. And write down the equal sign, so this is equal to 8.42. So you can make sure you show your steps. Just go down, step by step, and if you have to do the calculation on the side. Okay, let's go to example 2. You have 54 divided by 10 minus 0.3 squared times 5. So you can make sure you do one step at a time. So first you need to, you have the, grouping, right? Now this is not a group. Remember, in order to be a group, it's more than one number, right? This has only one number, so this is not a group. Okay? This is true that this number it need to be squared. Okay? So that means we have to go through this. So step 1, you have to do the exponents. Okay? So you have to do this first. So you got 54 divided by 10 minus, so you square that, you go up to the side, 0.3 times 0.3. 3 times 3 is 9. There are 2 decimal places. Okay, so you're going to have 0.09. 0.09. Okay, so you can, and notice I use this kind of the bracket like that to show you which step am I doing. Okay, so it's a good idea to do that to show people what step are you doing. So the next, I have the division, subtraction, multiplication. So I need to do division and multiplication, right? Because these are the same level, right? And if you are more than one of these things, you have to go from left to right. So I need to do this one here and then this one here. So this one I divide, I get 5.4. This one multiply, again, I already have the 0.09, so I'm just going to times it by 5. So 5 times 9 is 45, and there are 1, 2, 2 decimal places. So I get that. Okay. And my next step is I need to do this. Okay, so that's the last step that I do. So 5.4 minus 0.45. Okay, now when I have nothing over here, I can add a 0, right? So I don't have enough, so I borrow 1 from here. So borrow 1 become 10, so 10 minus 5 will give me 5. Now I have 3 minus 4, not enough. So I have to borrow 1 from here to make into a 4. So the one I borrow is 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6, plus 3 give me 9. And so 4 minus 0 give me 4. So answer is 4.95. So you can make sure when you're doing this, just go down step by step, and you will be fine. Okay? Let's go to example 3. You got 0.38 times 63 divided by 0.51. Okay, and this one I want you to estimate. So when you estimate, you run up to the first digit, right? So again, when you estimate means approximating, right? So wiggly line means approximating. So this would be 0.4 times 60 divided by 0.5. Now instead of doing this, see what happens when you're doing this, right? Now you can go and multiply this first, right? So this is approximately equal to 0.4 times 60. So it's 0, 24, and 1 decimal place. So this becomes 24 over 0.5. And now when you divide, so you have to do the division. So you have to move 1 decimal place over, right? So this is same as 240 divided by 5, right? But you move 1 decimal over. So this is approximately equal to 240 divided by 5 would be 420 minus, you get 408, right? Again, so it's very quick. So it's about 48. Again, this is approximation, right? Then after that, well, actually, because the estimation, you want to run off to 1 digit, right? So this is going to be approximately, actually, we need to do one more step. Again, when you do an approximation, you run it out to one digit, right? So it's going to be about 50, okay? You also can run it off as you go. Okay, so again, this is just approximation. So there are, there are different possible answers. Depends on how you estimate. Depends on where you run off.